to do. I'm going to help you with that activity. It says that we're going to need paper and pencil and ingredients for a punch or a snack mix. I don't have the ingredients for a punch or snack mix at my house, and if you don't either, that's fine, because instead we're going to just draw out what we would need. So for our snack mix, we're using walnuts. So our walnuts, we're going to use a W. We're going to use raisins, and we're going to use chocolate chips. It says that we want to make 10 cups of snack mix. We have 4 cups of walnuts and 4 cups of raisins. How many cups of chocolate chips do you need? So the first thing I want to do is make my part whole chart. I want to figure out what my whole number is. But I've got 3 parts today because we're doing 2-step problems. So I know that I've got 10 cups. 4 are walnut, 4 are raisin. The missing information is how many chocolate chips. So I have a couple of ways that I could do this. I could say 4 walnut plus 4 raisin plus some chocolate chips would equal 10 cups of snack mix. I could also say, I know that I have 10 cups altogether. I'm going to take away 4 with walnut, 4 with raisin, and see what I get. So you may add the 2 parts together, count up the missing part to get to your whole number, or you can start with your whole number, take away the 2 parts you know, and find out you're missing. So we know that if we have 4 plus 4, that equals 8. 8 plus 2 more equals 10. We could also say 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we know that our missing number is 2. There are 2 cups of chocolate chips. All right, let's try it now with the fruit punch. Okay, for our fruit punch, we're going to have pineapple juice, cranberry juice, and orange juice. I don't have all those juices, but that's no problem because I can write a P for pineapple, a C for cranberry, and O for orange. I need 6 cups of fruit punch. I'm going to use 2 cups of pineapple juice and 1 cup of cranberry juice, and I need to know how many cups of orange juice I should add. So I always like to start with that part whole chart. My whole number is at the top, and for today I have 3 parts because I've got a pineapple, a cranberry, and an orange juice going in. Now my problem tells me that I'm making 6 cups of fruit punch, so that has to be my whole number. It's as large as I'm going to get. I'm using 2 cups of pineapple, so that's 1 part. I'm using 1 cup of cranberry, so that's another part, but I need to know how much orange I'm going to have. So once again, there are a couple ways we could do this. We could say 2 pineapple plus 1 cranberry plus my missing part equals 6. Or we could say, I have a whole number of 6 cups. Let's take away 2 pineapple, take away 1 cranberry, and see what our missing number is going to be. I'm going to let you work on that one at home and see if you can get the correct answer without my help. So this is your family problem. When you've finished your family problem, you've talked about this together, or you've listened to the video and watched with me, next you're going to be working on pages 838 and 39. Oh, let me get rid of that. It'll be hard for us to see, isn't it? If I've got my problem still on there. There we go. So we know how to solve one-step problems. This problem tells us that Eve has some banners. She's got 3 banners with stripes, 3 dotted banners, and then 7 white banners, and we want to know how many that she has now. So if we were going to fill in this part whole chart, we don't know the whole number. That's what we're missing. We do know the striped banners are 3. We do know that the dotted banners, excuse me, there we go. We do know that the dotted banners are 3. And so we've got to figure out how many she has first. So if I have 3 dotted banners and 3 striped banners, that gives me 6 banners altogether. So that is step 1. Step 1 of the problem is figuring out this. How many striped banners and how many dotted banners? Now we need to know how many white banners there are. That is going to give us our second step. So down here on our part whole chart, we have striped and dotted banners together. Well, we just added those and found out they were 6. That was step 1. The white banners are 7. If we add 6 striped and dotted banners plus 7 white banners together, this is where you're going to find your missing number. So I want you to add 6 plus 7, find your answer here, and that's also going to be your whole number of banners, so don't forget to put it here in your box for your whole number. All right, we're going to erase and look at the next page together. All right. The problem on the previous page is a 2-step problem. We had to do 2 steps, and we talked about that because our first step was that we added the striped and the dotted banners. 3 plus 3 was 6. Then we had to add the white banners. 6 plus 7 more is 13. Here's a new 2-step problem. Juan had 3 pink markers and 7 green markers. He lost 2 markers. How many markers does he have now? So step 1, we've got to figure out how many markers he has. So we add 3 pink plus 7 green to get 10. He's lost 2. So now we have 10. We're going to take away 2, and then we have 8 as our answer. So you see, this is a 2-step problem because we added to find the total markers. Then we took our whole number and had to take away the 2 markers he lost to get to 8. So our answer has already been given for us. Juan has 8 markers now. At the bottom, you have a problem that you are going to solve. Suki had 17 grapes. She gave 8 grapes to her sister. She gave 3 grapes to her friend. Would you add or subtract to find out how many grapes Suki has now? So we have 17 as our whole number. If she is giving grapes away, we know that her number is getting smaller. And when our numbers get smaller, we know that we have to subtract. So we can say that Suki had 17 and gave 8 away. 17 minus 8 is 9. That's step 1. Now she has 9 left. She gives 3 to her friend. And I want you to figure out the total answer. How many would Suki have left? So that's your pages 38 and 39 today. Hope that helps you get your work done. And I will be back tomorrow to help you with your next math assignment in your packet. Bye, guys.